My dad always told me stories about a hidden world where brave warriors watch over and protect us.
Isn't that cool?
He always said,
just because you haven't seen something doesn't mean it's not there.
What if the storm ends?
Dad!
I don't see you. Hold you are now, never again.
What's going on, baby girl?
Talking snails.
Actually, I'm a slug. No shell over here, baby.
Just for a minute.
Who are you people?
Silver fork sky.
We are the Leaf Men, protectors of the forest.
Light you up like a star.
Wow.
I will follow.
My dad was right.
I am going to destroy the forest, but I'm only going to do it once, so try to pay attention.
Come on, you're with us now.
Dad, I had the most messed up dream. There were talking slugs and tiny little soldiers and...
Hello.
Aw, man. Dad, I'm here.
Uh-oh. Ozzy, no kisses.
Run!